answered it. Is the first question that we got is, I tend to get low nowadays. How can I keep my spirits up? That is the question. And all of you, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you joining us. Before we get to that, Payal has just said, just in case if our muse we find in a person, then won't it be difficult to share every bit with the person 24/7? This is Payal's question.
Yeah, but this is your internal dialogue. This is your internal dialogue. But check that that person is spiritually higher than you. Check if that person who's spiritually higher than you, who will lift you up. It can't be any just person, your husband or your son or something. It can't be somebody like that. It has to be somebody who's much higher than you. So that is the work of the muse. So you will never get into lows, and it's an internal dialogue. It's not that you have to make that person sit in front of you and talk to that person.
Correct.
The person may not be.
Yeah, it's an internal dialogue. It's not a real physical dialogue. It's about connecting. And it's about in conversation, it's about offloading, it's about always releasing that little bit of knot that is in you, that little bit of energetic knot that's in your mind, in your heart, sometimes in your gut, that feeling of sadness, the feeling of anger, the feeling of resentment, sometimes the feeling of frustration. Because we've got a lot of our students. Thank you so much, everyone joining. And Smita ji, we've got a lot of students.
Somebody said, I didn't get the name. Somebody said that they're getting into this depression, which is very, very normal, I would say. I mean, I can understand what your state is, that you could get depressed sitting at home, not doing anything. But if you think of it, why do we go out? We go out to entertain ourselves. We go out for a movie, maybe for lunches done, maybe for your work, for whatever. But work, a lot of people have understood how to do work at home by now. Everybody is working from home. So you need to go out just because I'm fed up of sitting at home. So that is not an excuse. You can find lots of ways and means of sitting at home and using your time constructively. So it's not just sitting at home. Correct?
It is. So sometimes, it's about constructive. Yes, constructive is the key.
Yeah, you can't lack motivation, because if this continues, there'll be another lot of other factors which will affect, and this gradually leads to depression. Lack of motivation gradually leads to depression. You cannot be in that state. So now you immediately start doing the Chakradhyana. And one more advice I'll give you, all of you all, at the moment, to keep your stability, whatever you're sitting on, we are sitting most of the time, watching Netflix or doing Zooms or whatever you're sitting. We don't go out, so there's no walking so much. So if you sit on something red. Like if you have a red cloth, spread it on the tape on the chair or wherever you sit, keep a red cloth under you, sit on something red. It soothes your chakras, it soothes your Muladhara chakra, and please do the Chakradhyana. That's very, very important to do right at this time. Don't get into the state, because this lockdown state can get you even in a worse state. So don't feel this lack of motivation at all.
And so the red cloth really helps. So while you're taking care of your energy center, take care of your body. Take care of what you're consuming. So ensure you're consuming the right things. See, what happens is there's so much of this conversation of what is going around, and we're consuming it. So consume something that's building you up. Consume whatever is getting you joy. Look at some comedy. So be aware of what you're consuming. Be aware. Take care of yourself. If there's lack of motivation, get up in the morning, work out. There is this whole 20-20-20 aspect that Robin Sharma has come up with, right? So 20 minutes, you get up in the morning and work out. Then after that, you sit for 20 minutes. In your 20 minutes, you sit and you do your to-do list of what you need to get done. And then the last 20 minutes is where you actually sit either in meditation or in prayer and connect yourself. So there are a lot of, you go out and seek. If there is lack of motivation, go out and seek the answers. Don't get arrested by it. I would really say that, because I was part of that bandwagon many years ago, that I would feel, oh my God, abhi kaun uth ke kidhar jayega? I'm better off in the bed. Yeah, I went through severe lack of motivation, depression, sadness, lack of joy. But nobody could tell that, because I was always smiling. So,
correct. People don't know it. That is the big problem. Big problem with depression is nobody knows that you are in a depressed state except yourself.
Nobody. Jimmy Felix, hi Jimmy, thank you so much. He says, Jimmy is a very good performer, very well-known singer, brilliant. He used to be founding part of Asma, that was a group, and he's one of those well-known singers and musicians in our industry. He says,
Wow.
God bless
How
you
nice.
both. The session was amazing and a great set of viewers. I must say, such incredible comments and answers from the viewers. Thank
Yeah.
you. Hi,
Kashmira,
Bhavna.
hi.
Hi,
Hi,
Bhavna.
Kashmira.
Bhavna. Hi, Kashmira. Bhavna Pavni. Bhavna Pani is a very well-known theatre.
I know I
Bhavna
work
is,
with Bhavna.
yeah. She's dear
I
friend.
work with Bhavna. We are doing Devdas together, Bhavna and I. Hi, Bhavna. How are you?
Remember, you told me I could not come and see it. You both
Yes,
are
the
saying to
theater.
Bhavna.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's very, very good actress.
How
Very
nice.
good
So
actress.
nice. Yeah.
So, Cash, thank you for being here. I love you, Bhavna. Love you, baby. Love you, baby. Ma'am, what to do with loneliness and depression?
Yes. See, lonely again. These two, depression and loneliness. These are the fear-based emotions, and fear-based is a Muladhara Chakra problem. So guys, if you are into depression and if you're feeling lonely, the prayers does something to your neurological system in the wiring of your brain. It changes you. I'm not saying pray means just say japa, om namah shivaya. I think pray in any which way, connect to your inner self, connect to your higher self, connect to whichever form you connect with. But you have to, this is the best time to pray and your prayers are answered. Trust me. Any kind of prayer you want. Last time I had told them to tell us that if you say thank you, keep saying thank you, offering attitude of gratitude. That is a prayer. Keep saying thank you to anything that happens. And we told them, come back, you'll do this exercise and come back and tell us what you feel. Please keep saying thank you to anything that happens to you. Just see how things change. The energy around you changes. This is a time for change and transformation, guys. Use it beautifully. You will never get this time again. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Anupam. I, of course, could not read it. Thank God we've got Smita here. So, Smita, we are reaching the end of our, we thought we'd do half an hour. Yet, we thank all of you. I mean, it was wonderful that you've been with us. Closing notes, Smita, and then I'll close. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. So do look forward to this new normal life, which will help you. Any kind of a situation or whatever you have, you can always ask on this. So message me or Sushma in our inbox, and we will definitely get in touch with you and answer as far as possible your questions. We are planning to do these sessions for about half an hour, 35 to 40 minutes, not more than that. And then we are going to do Zoom calls also. So be happy with the new normal, accept the new normal. The earlier you accept it, the more earlier you adapt to it, the better your life will be. Don't crib. It's a year of transformation. Welcome the transformation gracefully.
Very well said. Thank you. And I really want to thank each and every one of you, both on behalf of Smita and me, that you attended this call, you've been on this call, you've taken time to write, interact, and it gives us so much joy to be here for you. And do know that we're both parts of the same coin, all of us. So it's just, you know, and we are getting to learn so much from you as well. Ars, thank you so much. What's your name, Ars? I really want to know your name. Please send it to me on the inbox, okay? I really want to know what your name is. You're just fascinating. I love your heart and so lovely. Raj, thank you, sweetheart. And be happy, be healthy. Captain Vaishali, thank you. Thank you, everyone. And yes, like Smita said, if there are any questions from the week, please send it to us. We will likely actually write it down. Hi, Anjali. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you for being so interested and so proactive on this call. And Bhavna and everyone, Sid and everyone who was joining us.
Thank you so much. So encouraging.
Thank you, guys.
One of the messages that went earlier, Pramod said, I like your blue eyeliner. Thank you, Pramod, for that.
Pramod, everyone's liking a blue eyeliner. Nobody's saying anything about my lovely eyeshadow. I actually put eyeshadow today, Smita. Did you notice my look? I learned makeup and all now. No, you're everything lovely.
So we have to sign off, my dear.
Yes.
Sign off. Bye. Love you and see you next Thursday once again. Okay?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you so
Bye. See
much.
you.
I'll email. Thank you. Bye, 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 Vaishali. Bye.